Right, so it's been about a week. I've been waiting for parts. I've got some bits. I'm going to try to put the tank on, wire it back up, put the airbox on, and put the exhaust on if I've got the bits for it, which I think I've got all the bits now. We'll see if anything else doesn't work, but yeah, and then oil change, because I don't know when that oil has been in there since, and maybe start it up and see if it wants to run. Right then, tank time. This will be back here. Whew. carb adjustments needed. Took it for a spin. The only problems that I've encountered is it keeps dying when I'm stopping, but this is probably because there's something blocked, probably in the carb. It's not leaking petrol. There is petrol sitting here. I think that's one of the drainage ones. So I need to work out why that is. Probably the whole carb needs to be taken apart and cleaned, but the problem is if I do that, it's not going to go back together very well, so I'm going to wait till I can get a rebuild kit for that. And yeah, unfortunately, I had a little accident, I don't know. But yeah, that's a problem. So basically what's happened is, as I've ridden round a bit, it's sloshed, I guess, in the tank. And I guess this rubber seal isn't holding it anymore, so that seal's gone. So I've ordered a new one. Hopefully that comes in the next few days. But yeah, it's ruined the paint there. So, which ain't too bad. I mean, I can take this off again and paint this again. That's not too bad. I mean, I was thinking to repaint it anyway because of that mistake. But yeah, it's a shame that's messed up my paintwork, because the petrol's just come over and just eaten right through that. Eaten right through. Obviously didn't lacquer it enough. Oh well, that's a shame. Other than that though, oh yeah, and the license plates decided to come loose again because it's not the right, it's using like metal screws because it's so tiny. So I'm going to probably zip tie it on, but I probably could put a black plate on this because it probably is saying, oh, I've got this taxed and insured and everything now, so yep, it doesn't need MOT because it's a historical vehicle. So yeah, let's get some more bits and I can give it a ride again. So a few days later, this is a new washer. I did put that washer on that cap. I'm not touching it because I ain't got gloves on at the moment. It stinks of petrol. That's the petrol cap. That's the washer. That's a new one. The old one was all crusted and dry. I threw that away. But that didn't actually solve anything. So I bought myself a new cap. I've just put it on, tilted the bike on its side, and no drips. But yeah, as you can see, the paint's a bit messed up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to use this now as a daily driver, going to the shops and back, and see how long it takes for this tank to run out. And when the tank runs out or gets low, I'll drain it all off, take it off, maybe respray it again, blast. But yeah, paint came out in it through a couple of layers of the old paint. Oh well, not terrible. Of all the places to leak, it just weeped a bit from the top, and as that was a sloshing motion, I didn't expect it to come out of there. But yeah, other than that, oh yeah, and also I got a new one of these. I need to put that on because this one has got a crack in it, and that means if I was to get caught in the rain, I reckon that would be an issue starting.